Nigeria must obey. Woman don't come outside from abroad where she go enjoy her life. As she reach airport, you know say when you don't dey used to white people lifestyle, you go want put am for the next place where they go. Do you when they tell the immigration officers, those people where they deal with passports, una know them. You come they tell them say I put your mask now, wear your face mask. And the first time when she tell them, she been there nice, you know, like jokingly, made enough say she too dey talk. Now so the people no even take her serious. When she notice say these people no even dey mind am or more, na so she start dey shout for airport too. Wear your mask, wear your mask. Everywhere come scatter. Now so the immigration officer come vex, seize her passport, say she no dey go. Abeg, no be only me go enjoy this thing because I don't bring a call on a table today, because join me, make we watch the video.
I've refused to delete it. They are delaying me. As the Nigerian immigration, I'm a troublemaker. I said nobody is going. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. Give me my passport. Give me my passport.
What are you
doing? Catch you. Give me my passport. Give me my passport.
What's the problem?
My problem is that I asked them to hold my passport because I asked them
to. Everybody they talk say corona day. No, how people go believe say corona day like this? With this thing where I just see. Officers, law people, now they bring law. Now no even still they keep the law where now they give citizens. No, how people want they obey like this? Law enforcers. I don't know what till now even they enforce. Now they break them. These same people. See, my people, if una never jam immigration officers, now be say una no even they travel. Una no they travel. Immigration officers, they feel they very wicked. No even try. Now the same people where they feel make you lose your flight and they don't care. You go they go they argue and they know what they do. All these uniform people. I bet see, if you they go airport now, they very, very careful. Because now, matter even reach me now, say, coronavirus test. Now, they take bribe. If you get coronavirus, just so that you go fit travel, they go give you fake results. So now, suppose they very, very careful. Sometimes, said, you feel not get them, they go give you the positive results, say you get them. They know what they do. So if you they go airport, it better make you even do your test before you travel. If you know say they travel, do them down. Because now those people they know they smile. They know they smile. Make you know be say I no can't tell now. You understand? So now my people, all the COVID patients with this woman do experience for her life. No, it not even day long ago. She lose one of her friends through coronavirus. Now why as she enter airport, according to her, she said she no fit just, she no fit just see people like that. So she need tell them. Una where they talk, they go up and down, they talk say, when you reach there, you see them no face mask, why you no leave them? Now because una never witness anyone. If una don't lose person for una family or una life because of this thing, una will begin to take am very serious. Now you seize person passport. Which right una get to seize person passport? And which crime this person commit? I don't just understand Nigerians. My sister, welcome to Nigeria. Welcome. Your dreams will become real from now on. You never see anything. But I don't even know why this woman even stress herself. Because if not me, you don't take my passport. I tell you, give me my passport, you no agree. If not me, I proclaim the carry last. I go start the cough. By the time I start the cough everywhere. You go see, they go even fear. Give me the passport, say go. See, we're not supposed to use hair this period. I beg, they very careful. Now, why I bring this matter in our house today? You understand? So, just they guided. Things no they smile for outside now. Yes, my people, now the matter be this so because anybody will feel help this woman now. And you know the story, Biko, find way, go help her. You understand? Yes, click on that notification bell so that you go then notify. Share this video, make it go viral. Person feel know her, go help her. You understand? I love you guys. Don't go far. I'll just see you now later. My people, activists, human rights activists, Aisha Yesufu don't, in fact, she don't go explode my head. I don't even fit think again. She dey reply all the Twitter users because people now they don dey blast her. Una no know wetin she do. She go dey support gay people, and according to Ram, she say make nobody deceive anybody, and you no need anyone to like your sexuality. Say no, you no even need anybody to say okay, I like you, I not like you. The important thing wey you need be say make they accept you the way you dey. She dey refer to gays, she dey refer to lesbian, all these people wey dey do same sex. Now be say my people automatically she dey support them, and now people come dey blast them. Now she don come outside come reply them. No be small thing o. Abeg make person wake me up, because as I dey like this e be like say I dey dream. No, I dey very serious o, and I no dey laugh if una dey see my face. Aisha Yesufu, hey! E be like say this woman wan lose her respect. Pata. You wan lose your respect because the way, no, my people, una don't know how they praise this woman. Oh, if they even give me gun that period, say shoot person for this woman's sake, I don't shoot her. I no even think am once. Now she don't come for my hand. Hey, Aisha. Una no go understand. This woman fight for NSAS. You see, fight. No, she just dey blast all the politicians wey no get sense. And that period there, if I get money, say if I go dash am. But this one like this way, no, this one will reach me today. What if una wey dey think say gay, lesbian and things na from God? I don't know how una dey think. No, where una head dey go? If una think say gay and lesbian na from God, no be this same God create Adam and Eve. If na gay God want, no, e no for be Adam and Eve, e for be Adam and Steve. But he do Adam and Eve, una suppose get sense. Now this same God still go destroy Sodom and Gomorrah because of this same homosexuality. So now they come, they tell me, see, this homosexuality no be from God o. No be from God o. Make una open una ear where this thing na devil's doctrine. And in fact, now where they think this matter, it be like say they don't send Aisha. Seriously. And are they very serious? See, yeah, I'm not in my mouth as I dey talk am. They don't send this woman. Because it be like say you dey read Quran, abi. I'm not sure say this thing dey inside Quran, say homosexuality na good thing. I'm not sure. So from where this woman don't bring her? No wonder. Now they understand. BBC don't recognize her. So more people just they recognize Aisha, and those people they no good. So now, Aisha, you don't become instrument now to some people to use you. That period where this girl they fight evil things. I no been they understand. Now they understand. So her plan before be say she go do good things so that she go get plenty followers. People go they like her. Then show us her real color. I will bring this woman outside. I am very disappointed. Madam, wait. So as you big finish, I been they like you before. So no even look me like that because I no even dey smile. No worry o. No be gay, homosexuality. Your son, your son go marry a fellow man. No talk. And if I hear him say you complain or you come out for social media, they cry for help. Now me and you go enter that thing where they wear that hijab. Abi you don't know what they call it. Now me and you go sit down inside that thing. Relax. No be here with the you come out before everybody come they like you, everybody want die for your matter. Now see, you just foolish anyhow. This statement wey you just do, you don't know. My people, see, this woman come outside, they fight evil fight to create evil things. Seriously, I don't know whether when I even they shocked the way this thing even shocked me. Aisha, hey, I beg, we like you for answer, so now they end. No going to say because you do that one, we go come like you for this statement where you come make. Because nobody they support you. And any of una way they support her. Now already know what you way. No, name. I know not be me go trade now. My people, now the matter be this, so Aisha Yesufu don't come outside. In fact, I don't know this woman again. No, if you know her, tell me for the comment section because me I don't know her.